Alright, this is going to be my second time attempting to paint my nails with this color polish. It's Cosmic Colors Mirror Effect Nail Polish. This is like a private labeled polish that's manufactured in China. I've seen a lot of it go by a lot of different names, and they come in like exactly the same bottles. So initially in my first video where I tried to paint, it did not want to play well with my base coat. I have a different base coat now. I have a LA Colors base coat that I'm using. And I want to see if it still misbehaves over a different base coat, or if it still does that weird thing. Because when you paint your nails with it by itself, it works. It works nice. It does not work over a base coat. And the problem with that is it stains. It stains really, really bad. Like, my nail's really orange from it, from when I tried it out a couple days ago. So I want to see if it will behave with a different base coat. And it doesn't look like it wants to behave. It's doing that weird chunky thing. Okay. I don't recommend these guys because, one, they stain really bad. And you can't wear them over a base coat. It looks like they don't play well over a base coat. So if you're like me and you like to try to prevent nail staining, like, I don't really care about nail staining all that much, but I do try to prevent it. And part of the reason why I try to prevent it is because when I try to use a sheer polish, the yellowing of the nail makes that sheer polish sometimes look muddy and not true to color. Granted, not everybody has the same colored nail beds because people come in different colors, right? So, but we're not yellow. Like, not like smoker yellow like my fingernails look, you know what I mean? We have like different colors of like beige and tan and brown. Like fingernail beds are all different, but they're not like that weird yellow color. See what I mean? How it's not playing well. So I don't even think I'm going to continue this. I did eventually swatch it by itself, and I'm going to upload that video. But of like it on its own. It's really pretty on its own, but it does not go over a base coat well at all. It's absolutely terrible. Yeah, so I think I'm going to use this color up on my toes and just get rid of it. I'm not a fan of it, unfortunately. Just because it won't go over a base coat. Alright, I guess we'll end that here, right? Like, there's really no point in continuing to yammer on. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.